Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here, I have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 3. We have Kyle Larson's 2022 Next Gen car. On the back, you can get other Next Gens like William Byron, Alex Bowman, and Kevin Harvick. Let's get Kyle Larson out of his box. So here's the sticker, the classic number 5 Hendrick Motorsports. Its number, his name, HendrickCars.com, which is a website for cars. So here is Kyle Larson's next gen car. So let me get that out of the way. Alright, so here is Kyle Larson's car. His paint scheme is the same paint scheme he has for the 2021 season, which is obviously the Ricky Hendrick throwback HendrickCars.com scheme. Obviously, the classic blue number 5 has now been moved to the side, and the whole HendrickCars.com logo is now in a straight line on the side, whereas the paint scheme, still remains the same, except the 5 is moved over. The HendrickCars.com, the same font that has been on the hood, has always been there, the same way. The same goes for the back, HendrickCars.com. And obviously, the next-gen cars have a newer body, which is pretty cool. The signal lug nut that is now on the cars. Also the new backlights. And obviously, the top, a wide number 5. Yeah, basically it is the same paint scheme, except now with the new next-gen body. I'll give you a 360 view of Kyle Larson. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more new next-gens are going to come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.